Something unique happened recently in Togo. The first ever female technology bootcamp began in Lome. It's an initiative that encourages young women to become technologically skilled at the use of information and communications technology. VOA's Ndiho has more.
By now, I'm sure you've heard about the innovation and technology revolution sweeping across Africa. From Southern Africa to East Africa to West Africa, young people are increasingly trying to make their mark on the tech scene. Female students from various parts of Togo gathered for the first ever technology bootcamp. The event encouraged young women to get involved in innovation and technology, as well as entrepreneurship. Clustered around a table, this group of young women is assembling a computer made out of recycled materials in a jerrycan.
We don't often get the opportunity to do this at school, and especially here in Africa. We have lessons on this, but we don't have an opportunity to actually do practical exercises from what we learn.
Many of those who participated say the event gave them an opportunity not only to see what other women innovators on the continent are doing, but also allowed them to see how far they can go with the right kind of support. Using a locally sourced material, the girls assembled the computer with parts from old radios, car speakers, and plastics.
We had to test the material to see if it was in good condition. The point of the jerry can is to be able to recycle and not to have high-tech material, but a fun computer that is accessible to all. First, we tested the material and then we put it in the jerry can. We used a specific design to make this not only nice to look at, but useful as well. The material has been placed in a manner that will allow it to have a good electric connection and allow some air to pass through.
The participants say they hope the event like this will help to increase awareness about technology and give young people a platform to learn from each other. Organizers of the Tech Camp say making science practical and fun was a big part of the event.
We hope that with this initiative, young girls will go on to lead the Tech Hub in their different communities. We look to them to create working spaces where they will invite others to meet, exchange, and come up with new projects.
The event was also held in other West African nations, including Ghana, Burkina Faso, Benin, Ivory Coast, Liberia, and Nigeria. Ndiho, VOA News.